Hi everyone! This video is about who is your professor. Let's start. First of all, my name is Guillaume Jaubert. My email gjaubert@vinu.edu. My phone number 812-888-4528 and my office number UH110 UH for Updike Hall. I will be your mathematics instructor this semester. I want you to know that I am here to help you to be successful in this course. Alright, so first, let's talk about my teaching and educational background. About my teaching experience, well, I tutored elementary level, I taught middle school, I taught in high school, and I taught also at the university. Secondly, my educational background. I have a baccalaureate, engineering and mathematics, an associate degree, a bachelor degree, and a master's degree. And then after that, I decided to teach physics and chemistry. So I've been certified from the French ministry to teach physics and chemistry. That is equivalent to a master's degree in the art of teaching physics and chemistry. And I've been also certified for flipped learning. Things to know about me. Well, first, I have made video on YouTube channel for you. I have opened a class on Edpuzzle for you. I am an all-day person. I enjoy to take nap, although. I enjoy my job as a professor, and I want to help you to achieve your highest potential. And I believe with hard work, anyone, I say anyone, can accomplish their goals. Things I like to do for fun. Well, I enjoy living a healthy lifestyle. These include trail running, swimming, hiking, biking, going to the gym. I practice sport 12 hours a week. Well, another thing that you might not know about me is that I'm also an artist. These are few examples of the painting I've been doing, and you can sometimes see my paintings when I'm doing an exhibit, and most of the time it's at the Open Gallery downtown Vincennes. On the left you have a 3D acrylic painting where I made each petal of each roses and then I reconstructed the roses. All of my paintings are made with a palette knife, and I have different kind of style. Impressionism, but also prismatic with the butterfly right here, or more traditional on the right now. As you can see, there is a lot of color. This is a part of my personality. Where do I come from? Well, with my accent now I think you understand that I come from France, but where do I come from? I come from a town in the south of France named Marseille. And Marseille is in Provence, well known for its lavender field. Here's some picture where the place I grew up, where I used to go to the swim during the summer, and a few places that I really enjoy to go when I have the time to go back to France to see my family. One last thing to tell you is about I look forward to work with you this semester. See you in class.